when I'm not currently, discussing my new job, that's the topic I like to speak to the most, because I think, no, we're not doing nearly enough. We, the international community, not nearly enough to focus on building up national capacity. And you really are talking about building up fundamentals of national justice systems to enable them beforehand, not to wait till we have a horrible situation, but every country, small countries, developing countries, developed countries, we should be focused on building up national capacity, because you're absolutely right. The International Criminal Court was only there for those few cases, unable, unwilling, I think really for the large players in any particular scenario, to be quite realistic. And then you have this huge gap, because justice can't be done unless those other cases are addressed in some form or another. So I think one of the big challenges, and I think the UN needs to enhance its role in this context, as do other organizations, we really must focus more on building up national capacity for complementarity to be the reality that we all want it to be in the context of the ICC.
And can you be specific on where attention should be focused here? Because, I mean, we've seen all 7 cases so far in Africa, so I would imagine perhaps that would be an area where the national courts do need to be strengthened. Well,
part of the reason that we've seen that in Africa is because Africa is a big supporter of the International Criminal Court. They have a large membership, so everyone always points to that imbalance, if you will, but it's also because Africa, to their credit, become parties to the court. Certainly, I think attention should be paid to systems in Africa. I think there has been work done, for example, in Rwanda, in rebuilding the Rwandan justice system, which has been quite effective. But I think there are other parts of the world as well. I don't think we should be focused on any particular continent, and I think it is should become part of a general program of justice system development that we're running pan-global in nature. So.